When it comes to streamlining your document management and form automation, FileForms is a solution that's gaining traction. But is it the right choice for you? Before making a purchase, here are 7 crucial things you need to know about FileForms that could save you time and money in the long run. First up, FileForms offers a unique set of features designed to simplify your workflows, but how does it compare to other popular solutions out there? Unlike many competitors, FileForms stands out with its intuitive interface and seamless integration capabilities, which are designed to make automation easier. Many other form tools can be clunky or have a steep learning curve, but FileForms gets you started without unnecessary hassle. It's important to understand that while it's beginner-friendly, it's also scalable enough for more advanced users, making it a versatile choice for businesses of all sizes. The next thing you need to know is about customization. With FileForms, you can create forms that are tailored to your specific needs, whether it's for client intake, lead generation, or internal data collection. This level of customization, especially in terms of conditional logic, sets it apart from some competitors who offer more rigid templates. You can add multiple layers of personalization without having to touch a single line of code, which is a huge time saver if you're looking for both efficiency and flexibility. Now let's talk about integrations. FileForms offers robust integration options with popular platforms like Google Sheets, Zapier, and even CRM tools. This makes it easy to sync your forms with other software you're already using. If you compare this to other form builders, some competitors lock you into their ecosystem or offer limited integrations. But with FileForms, you have the freedom to connect seamlessly with your existing tools. This is a massive benefit if you're running a business that relies on several platforms working together. Moving on, FileForms is built with security in mind. With SSL encryption and secure storage options, you can trust that your data is protected. Many other form tools might have a decent level of security, but FileForms goes the extra mile, ensuring compliance with GDPR and other regulations. This gives peace of mind, especially if you're collecting sensitive customer information. The fifth thing you should know is the pricing structure. While FileForms isn't the cheapest solution on the market, it offers competitive pricing for the features it provides. If you're comparing it to other form tools, you'll find that some alternatives charge extra for premium features like advanced analytics or integrations, while these are often included in FileForms pricing plans. Make sure to take a close look at what each plan includes before making a decision, as the value FileForms offers at its price point is hard to match. Next, let's talk about customer support. This is an area where FileForms truly excels. They offer 24/7 support, which can be a lifesaver if you encounter any issues. Compared to other platforms, where customer service can often be slow or impersonal, FileForms has earned praise for its quick response times and helpfulness. If you run into a problem or need guidance, you can rest assured that FileForms team is just a message away. And lastly, let's discuss how you can get started. If you're still on the fence about whether FileForms is the right choice for you, you can try it out completely free from the first link below. This is a risk-free opportunity to explore all the features and see how well it fits your needs. Many other platforms require you to enter payment details up front or don't offer a robust free trial, but with FileForms, you can dive in with zero obligation. So, if you're ready to take your document management and form automation to the next level, click the first link in the description to try FileForms with the best free trial available and gain access to some exclusive benefits. You'll be able to experience everything FileForms has to offer before committing, making it easier to make an informed decision.